Today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. So inserting this drop-down menu is actually really easy. For example, I'm going to choose this cell here, right-click on it, come all the way down. Here you will see drop-down. Now within here, you can actually choose what you want it to look like. So you have the range that this will apply to. You can also choose if it's a drop-down, from a range. So if you have information in a sheet within a range, you can reference that sheet and that specific range. You can also see that there are a lot more options for your drop-down menu. We are now going to see that there's option 1, option 2. You can add multiple. You can also change the color, and then you can allow multiple selections. There are some advanced options over here. So you can show help text for a selected cell. And then if the data is invalid, you can reject the input, or you can just show a warning, and then you can display it in a chip, an arrow, or plain text. Once you're done, you're going to click on done. And here we can just close this. And if you open this up, guess what? There is your drop-down menu. Of course, you can click over here. You'll have this come up again on the sidebar, and you can continue editing your drop-down menu